Please listen carefully so you don't miss the sounds coming from the sky.
בואנה, זה מטורף. מאיפה זה מגיע? תקשיב. צלם מלמטה. איפה זה? תביא את הטלפון.
Wow.
Just have a listen to this. So what are you hearing? Well, we don't really know. The strange sounds were heard across Terrace, BC early yesterday morning and lasted for about 10 minutes. Speculation about what caused it ranges from the aurora borealis to aliens, or it could just be a prank. But similar sounds have been recorded in other parts of BC and reported in other locations around the world.
Oh, do you hear that noise? Sounds like trumpet noises. Damn. Ooh, is it like a... Wow, looks like that's super.
Now let's look at what people are seeing in the skies. Anyways, so I just wanted to touch base with you guys again one last time before I ended this video. What are your thoughts on the strange noises coming from the skies? I mean, I could understand if it was coming from like one part of the world and those people in that part of the world were concerned, but this is something that's affecting the entire world. It's happening everywhere. So there's still no explanation as to why this is occurring. If anybody has any ideas on what it could possibly be, please let me know in the comment section down below. This is a really interesting topic.